Today we're gonna play. I have Robux, guys. I spent all my Robux, and something for you can happen too. Show your button. Let's go to the top. Look, it's not open. So perfect. Now I'm gonna show you how to go. I spent all my Robux on this game. Try beat me. Chicken jockey. Chicken jockey. Wait. What? What in the world? I can use. Go to my favorite. Let's go, baby. Look at the chicken jockeys. I spent all my money. Look at this. 9 Robux. Very perfect for you guys. I have 18 Robux left. What are you doing? I don't want to use my mama's credit card, guys. Oh, I don't like this. I don't want to use my mama's credit card. What? I didn't. I'm not doing it. Hello, boys. Check me out. You're a noob. Let's control. Chugga chugga chug. I can do that. I don't want to use that. I don't want to use that. I don't want to spend. Mama fool. Stop in the chicken jockey. You can spend another 80 Robux. But ayaw ko po. Oo nga. Pag marami na tayong pera. Sige. Sa birthday mo pa. Okay po. Okay. My mom said I can get Robux from my birthday. But I wanted those. Anyway, I don't want to use that. I don't want to use that. I'm so close to the top. I can see the tippity top. I can see the tippity top. Right, guys. I can see the tippity top, guys. I'm not spending another Robux. I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it, guys. No, we're so high up. I'm going to go with 1,000 meters. I'm so close to, I can see the tippity. I can see the tippity top. Here I go. Oh my God. Just bought. Are you serious right now? What? Not Pika. Pika. The chicken jockey is way better. I think tayo na 1 million. Bakit? Tapos ka na? Nag-video ako. Oh my God! I think. Oh my God! I clip that. Ah, bro! Magkano Robux mo isasunod sa birthday mo? Magkano? Magkano? Oo. Sa birthday mo, anong gift sa'yo? Magkano? Robux! Kaya ka magkano? Magkano pong Robux? Hindi ko alam. Malay ko, anak, hindi ko naman na yan. 80. The work in the sky.
Kuya Ben. Ben, kuya. Ben.
1 million.
Alay.
We're so close to the tippity top. I can see it. Top. I can see it. Top. I can see your tippity top. That's not beating me, bro. That kid is not beating me. Just not kidding. Magbabay ako ng maraming, yung kunwari maglalagay ako ng maraming pets. Yung dito sa likod.
Doon kayo.
Isbibigyan ko sa tiga. Ba't di mo ko nihintay? Anong gusto mo ba? Robux? 20. Ay, ba't di mo ko nihintay? Parang 40 Robux. Sige, bibigyan ko ng 40 Robux. Basta hindi mo ko promise. Please ba? We are the Kamba. We're the crew. Yes. Kai crew tayo lahat. Kai crew. Ano bang name ng band? Kai. Canely. Canely si Ate Sophie. Canely. Tapos, si Kurt. Kai. Tapos si Ate Kayan. K. Tapos ikaw, A. Tapos ako, Kai. I. Kai. Hintayin mo ako sa 1 win, okay? Okay. Ready tayo mag-trade. I'm gonna trade. Magbabay ako ng anong tingin mo? Oh my God! Oh, 5 Robux. The crown. What? I'm gonna buy 400 Robux. Ito? Babay mo to. Hindi. Sabi daw. Ang mga babay ko lang kung anong gusto ko. Wag to. Character daw. Kung anong gusto ko. Hindi ko lang uubusin. Sabi daw. Para meron pa akong alam. Pero meron lang Robux sa birthday ko. I don't wanna hear that. You just 400 Robux. My mom is gonna call me. Don't call me. I don't wanna hear the guys. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Video, guys. Let's go. We're gonna. Oh, can I run? We're back. What? What? Zero wins knuckle. Guys, I don't want to buy the chicken chocolate. I ran out of money. Dude, you said that I wanted to buy a chicken chocolate. Stop, bro. I just being roast. That is crazy, bro. That is crazy, bro. Get up, but just the Robux. I spent my own Robux. That's it for today's, guys. So